Everyone. Uh, Today I'd like to introduce you to an AI-powered research agent, yeah, an intelligent automation solution designed to streamline academic research, discovery, and synthesis. This application demonstrates how modern cloud AI integrated with multiple academic data sources can dramatically accelerate the literature review process, whether you are conducting a market research or competitive analysis or any academic literature reviews. And these platforms provides intelligent and also an efficient research automation. So um, let me give you a simple title: the self-reinforcement learning. Then I press enter. Uh, the sources we have several sources like for the academic researchers. We are taking the OpenAlex, arXiv, the core, and Zenodo and DOAJ, which is the resources that have the broad coverages of multiple domains. I have selected the first two, OpenAlex and arXiv. Then the max papers is five, which can take the five papers from the OpenAlex sources and the arXiv from the five papers. So totally 10 papers, right? So I'm clicking the generate report. You can see the progresses and log. Starting research for self-reinforcement learning, the sources, these two sources, and the max papers is five. So what we have done is like before that, we will see the problem statement. The traditional research workflows are manual and time intensive. The researchers must research multiple academic databases individually and manually search each source separately, read and summarize dozens of papers, and synthesis finding across diverse sources. This is repetitive and exhausting and doesn't scale, right? So our solutions is to automate this entire workflow, allowing researchers to focus on analysis of the particular product and insights rather than the data gathering, right? So the system architecture, what we are using for this, like it is considered as a multi-layer architecture. The layer one is multiple source paper fetching, which is an agent which can fetch the prospective sources what we have fixed here. So the OpenAlex, arXiv, core, these are the sources that we have fixed, as it gives wide coverages in multiple domains. So the next layer is like the AI powered intelligence. The AI powered intelligence takes the papers for the particular topic from the prospective sources, which can use their artificial intelligence skills to take the particular important essential part for the research topic that the user have been asked, and it can give the it can fetches and summarizes the particular part of that multiple papers that what we have researched in. And coming to the last layer is the professional report generation. We can, and as we have generated that report, we can either can download in the markdown format or can JSON data format, and we can also preview on the particular report, particular topic that what we have asked. I have given that report date and the report time, and the total paper analyzed is five. The total paper analyzed is five is for the particular sources. Here we have chosen the two sources, OpenAlex and arXiv. In each sources, it has taken the five papers, right? This is the preview of that the executive summary, which can give that what is the reinforcement lining, and it can be taken from the multiple sources what we have taken from several resources. Then the detailed paper summaries is like the AI will analyze the multiple paper sources and can take the more similar document from the sources that they have taken. Here it uses a cosine similarity to take the uh, the whole topic, uh, the whole sources, and it can matches with the topic what the user is asked, like. So this is the summary and the key findings of the particular part. Then the metro is the second one. So it can take that take the next second prior the cosine similarity based model. So it can have that concise summary and the key finding of the particular thing, and the particular that fourth will have the key understanding of the particular topic that what we have asked. So um, this is the findings from the research agent what I have discovered. So we'll dig deep into the tech stack. The backend framework that I have used for this agentic system is Agno Framework. In the Agno Framework, I have used three agent mainly. The paper fetcher agent, which can fetch us the particular academic papers from multiple sources, and the summarizer, which can summarizes the each paper using AWS Bedrock LLM. And finally it can generate the structured research report. So where I am using that structuring agent, which can structurize the entire content into the meaningful and readable report to make the user to understand the understand the particular topic. So these are the agent that I have used for this generation process. And moving on to the Cloud AI integration, I have used the AWS Bedrock model through the Cloud Sonnet 4 model, which can works best in all the domains, especially in the coding and science-based domains. So I'll take the Cloud Sonnet 4 model for the retrieval and also the summarizing part. Then I have used the data integration part, which can take the Bedrock API calls, and orchestration will all took place in the Agno frameworks. Then the web interfaces I have used here is a Streamlit, which is a simple your UI interface to orchestrate the AI works and the research workflow. What I have done in this topic, and here we can see the chat history. It will be generated. It will have that particular date and time the report generated, and the research report file name. We can click the load if we want to see the particular previewed file, the particular research file, if we have multiple of document. Okay, then uh, let me take another one example, the machine learning in healthcare. Okay, here I'll take two more sources and the max papers to 4 or maybe a 6, and I'll change the report name to download the particular file. Machine learning in healthcare. Okay, so when I press to generate report, the progress and the logs, it will show the starting research for machine learning in healthcare, like The logs will give the particular progress of the process of the entire process. So it can take that what are the particular process will be happened in that time. So it can uh, it can take all the papers. The max paper that we have chosen is a 6. So it can take from all the 4 sources, and it will fetching paper from these all the perspective sources what we have selected here. So it will be fetching the papers, particular papers, and summarizing paper using the AWS the Bedrock AWS Bedrock Claude Sonnet 4 model. And by using LLM, we can have the summarized part to be included in the preview of this section. So in the end, we can either download it as a markdown report, or we can download it as a JSON data. So the tips what we have what I have give to get the better solution is like the better result, like we can we can start into 5 to 10 papers for fast processing, because the even the LLM have some context into limit. The Cloud Sonnet 4 has a 200k um, token limit. But we can minimize we can minimize our paper limits to get the extra to get the content from multiple sources. We need to focus on multiple sources, but we can limit the max papers to get the better results. And we can able to check the sources for the particular sources by using this research agents. So it'll the summarizing part paper from 14th out of 16, yeah, no, 15. Yeah, it can generating the perspective title and research insights. And so the report have been saved as a machine learning in healthcare, um, including the date and the time. So it will be ready to download. So we can either download into markdown report under the JSON data. We can see the preview of the file, the research query that we have asked in the asked as an input. Then the generated on report date, report time. So the total paper analysis are 16 papers. The executive summary and the detailed paper summaries. We have taken the several papers model. So medical imaging modalities and key findings of the particular paper, and the multitask learning with the cross-view correlation. So it will be generating all the papers. So further reading, we'll also include the LLM can include the for the recommendation of the particular topic for researchers, for practitioner, and further research directions. So the report is generated using AI powered research analysis. So this is all about the AI powered research agent represent that the future of literature review. it can give that intelligent and comprehensive and cost efficient, as well as a professional way of um, researching a particular process or particular thing from the existed one. We all know that the research will be taken, not taken from the bit one. The research will always be as a step-by-step process. As we have discovered the bicycle, and we have discovered the bike, and we have discovered the car. Like this, what we are discovering a new product will always in need of the will always in need of the previous product, that previous version of the product that what we have or what we had in the present. So by using this research agent, we can able to research a new topic with the help of multiple sources, and the people that they are already researched in the particular domains. So thank you for watching, and I encourage you to explore the code and try the application, and thank you so much.